Hello, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Ahmednagar. Today's date is 25 August 2021. Our today's Viva topic is interface in Java. So we have discussed about the interface in Java. Before we are going to the abstraction. So what is mean by abstraction? Abstraction is defined as the to display the to display uh, to hide the internal implementation and only to provided to set up provided to only main data to the user. It is known as abstraction. So what is how can achieve the abstraction by using two ways, like first upon abstract class and second upon interface. So what is the how to use the abstract class by using the interface, by using the abstraction, how to use the abstraction by using the abstract class. So abstract class, it means we have worked to specify projects, and you are working completed 80% working in completed even our projects, plus but 20% work is not about the any information regarding to in that projects into you. So in that scenario we are using the we are asking to another developers, and 20% remaining work information asking to another developer, and it's complete the projects is totally by using the another developers. It is a abstraction we can using the by using the abstract class. So in that scenario, how to conclusion in that abstract class, because of your work is completed 80% in your our projects, but 20% work are not known about that projects. So in that scenario we are using the another asking the another developer and complete to your work. So next upon interface. So what is mean by interface? Interface, it means we have we have create the another projects, suppose a calculator, but in that project regarding we are not about the information in that projects. So in that scenario we are using the asking to another developer, and totally your projects work like 100% work, your totally 100% work you are asking to another developer and complete totally your work from another developers. So in that scenario we are watching the 100% work from the another user, another developers. It means we are using the interface in that scenario. So let's start. We have discussed about the interface. So what is mean by interface? What is the definition of interface? So interface is a interface is a like a class. Interface is a collection of abstract methods. It is known as interface. So how to use the interface, how to use keywords like interface, using interface. So implements, like the keyword is implements, we are using the interface. So it is a keyword like a implements keywords. So how to use of interface, we are using the achieve the abstraction in your abstraction, your abstraction, uh, you are using the your achieve the abstraction in that interface. So next use is you are using the methods only abstract type and public type methods, and we are using the multiple inheritance, we are using the interface. But multiple inheritance is not support in Java, but you are using the multiple inheritance using through interface. So next upon how to it is used to loose couplings. We are using the loose coupling in your in Java. It is not need to it is not totally depends upon both of you. So it is using interface. So how to implement by using the interface, by using the implements keywords by using the interface. So we have take the example how to achieve and how to actual concept of interface. Suppose you are working on a specific projects, you have create the specific projects, but your projects regarding information not about the about information to you completely. It's totally blank. It is totally only your idea is a how to idea, yeah, how to create the projects, but know about information about the projects. Suppose we have create the projects like a calculator. So in that calculator projects are different types of methods like addition method, subtraction method, and then division method, multiplication method, but you are not about the information about these methods. So in that scenario you are using the you are asking to suppose you are the client, and we are asking to another developers in that regarding the projects. So we are dealing the you and another developer as the regarding of projects, and dealing the completes and the users. It means you are only asking to developer to only you have get the set the input to developer, and get the output of to projects, your our projects. It is the main function of our projects regarding. So we are using the we are dealing the developers, and you are dealing the developers, and regarding the work information regarding to your projects. And in that time developer are completely work on our projects, and then finally we have complete the your projects, and to your developers to you call the regarding the projects, and you to call, and you to call and back to your actual work to show the developers. And in that time we are using you are show the seen the actual input even our projects and output even our projects. So it is dealing the it is the complete to your both of your dealing, and it is handover to our projects to dealing to your developer to client. So in that scenario we are using the interface. Interface we are using the 100% work another 100% work as completely on our projects by using another developers, not you, because of your ship only idea in regarding the project but no idea about the project and information. So in that scenario we are using the you are asking the another developer, and regarding your projects works we have complete the you have complete the developers and hand over to and complete projects and then hand over to you. So it is a we can achieve the abstraction sorry interface. So we have take the actual projects and we have take the example of your you can achieve the interface. Firstly we have create the class name is a client, implement the class name is a client, and then we are using the you implements the class implements clients, and your another class is a Raju implements clients. So in that method we are putting the white show method, input method and output method. So int salary, your salary and your username. So we are using the input methods, and we are using the scanner class, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and then you have create the objects. So sorry, we have store the objects, store the value. Scanner sc is equal to new next line, new sc dot next line. So and we are using the sop, enter your username, and your output is a we are putting the value in output section, output methods sop, enter the salary. So we have output the we have create the main methods, public static void main string arguments, and we have call the objects like a client c is equal to new client Raju, new client Raju. So new Raju. So in that we have provide the output c dot client and see that input and see that output. So in that scenario we have produced the output in your projects. So it is a main function of interface. So we have take the example, we have discussed about the what is the difference between abstract class and interface. So abstract class, it means contains only it contains abstract methods, it contains abstract and non-abstract methods. Interface, it contains abstract and public methods. Interface, in that interface we have does not allow the constructor, and abstract class, it is allow the constructor. Next, the difference is the we have using the static, we are using the variables like static, public, by using the interface, by using abstract class. And next difference is we are using the interface, you are using the multiple inheritance by using the multiple inheritance using the interface. But multiple inheritance is not support in Java, but we can use the multiple inheritance through interface. And abstract class, it means we are not using the multiple inheritance. So it is all the difference between about the abstract class and interface. So it's all about the abstract class, abstraction, and then abstraction methods and interface. Thank you so much.